Namaskar. Welcome back to Yoga Fitness with Priyanka Sharma. Today guys, we are going to do a spinal care yoga, like for those who are really looking for strengthening their muscles and releasing the tension from the hips, then this is the video. Do not forget to like, subscribe and comment below, and let me know in the comment box this video was useful, yes or no. Let's start. So we'll start with the tabletop position. Come on your knees. Always check that your hips and your knees are in line. Also, we keep some distance between our feet at the back. Toes should be pointing behind. Both your palms right underneath your shoulders. So do not keep it too close or not too wide. Otherwise, you may have pain in your shoulders and your wrists. Alignment is very important in spinal care. Also check your hip and knees are in line. Fingers wide open, your spine neutral. Inhale, we arch our back. Try to lift your chin up, open your hip wider. Exhale, your chin to collarbone, and we try to move our belly in, our glutes contract, your spine is in round shape, your chin to collarbone. Repeat this for a few more rounds. Inhale. Exhale. First we energize our back. We try to warm up our spine. With the breath, we inhale. Exhale. Come back in the center. Then we move down on our forearms. Always check that your shoulder, elbow and your wrist forming 90-degree angle. We will interlock our fingers to support our spine, to support our shoulders. It's a very good stretch when you move here. It's a Marjar Asana, giving a good stretch. We lift our heels up, your knees lifting up towards the ceiling. So the stretch is on the left side of your glute, to your hams, to your feet. Then exhale, we contract our abdomen. Keep doing this for 5 rounds. Inhale. So these are the variations of Marjar Asana. You can practice it in your day-to-day activity to strengthen your muscles and to feel a good stretch. So you can observe, feel your body. Keep doing it with me. Breathe in, arch. Check your arms are nicely firm. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Let's stay here. We'll hold 1. Initially, you may feel that you are stuck here. No issues. Once you start practicing, you will keep lifting higher and higher. Feel your lower back, your tailbone. The other side of your glute may feel a burning sensation. It's just you need to breathe. 2 more. And 1. We will slowly come on our palms. We extend our left leg, your toes pointing down. We flex our foot. We do not open our hip. Your hips are always in a square shape. We open or stretch your right arm in front. It's the opposite hand. It's a good coordination and balancing of your body and your mind. Breathe. This is optional in case if you still working out or still you are a beginner, you can just keep your legs extending. This is for those who really find them very good and challenging themselves. You can straighten your arms, keeping your shoulders and ears in line. Breathe. 5, core engage. 4, 3, 2 and Relax your palm. We can rest our foot down. Now what we'll do is, from here we take a pigeon pose. So all the asanas are interconnected, one after the other. So the knee which is folded, your right knee, you will open your leg, you open your foot. As you can see, my leg, my toe is pointing towards the camera, and I will try pulsing my hip, my thighs down. Always in pigeon. I have also made a Raj Kapotasana or pigeon pose video. You can just check that. I have made it a very good so that you avoid injuring your knee. Keep resting your thigh. You can use a block cushion. Check your knee and ankle in line, and we shift our body. We slide a bit on the left side and give a good stretch. Feel it on the right side of your hip, your right side of your thigh. We lean on our calf and we extend our arms forward. Breathe. 1. See, I have seen many of them doing this. So this happens when you are leaning on the right side. We have to lean on the left side, and that will again happen with the practice. You can hold your foot if it goes in. 5, feel the stretch, amazing stretch. 4, releasing the tension from our hips, our glutes. 3, and creating a space in our lower back. 2, and 1. We will slowly rise up. We place our palms down. We tuck our left toe. We lift our left knee to avoid a pain. Do not rush to come back. And we move in downward facing. Give a good stretch. We pedal our feet, or maybe you can kick your leg back just to avoid any kind of muscle pull, and we relax in child's pose before we start with the other side. Take a break, rest, shoulders relax. You can move your hip side to side, massage your back. 5, watch your breath. 4, and prepare yourself for a left side. 3, 2, and 1. Slowly we rise up. Always practice with both the sides, and definitely both the sides will have a different effect. For example, your left side or your right side was too stiff, then you may experience the other side vice versa, the opposite effect. Extend your hands in front, coming again on your forearms. We move down on your forearms, interlock your fingers. Now we take our right side. Inhale, we raise our right leg up. We keep lifting, we keep pushing our heel up to the ceiling. Exhale. We move our head to our knee. So first we finish with the left side. Now we are moving to the right side. So both the sides we work equally, same way. Exhale, very slowly with the breath. 3, inhale. Focus on the right glute, your right hamstring. Exhale, your head in. 4, inhale. Check your shoulders. Exhale. One more. Inhale. And feel the arch in your back. 1, our elbows, our forearms are touching to the ground. 2, breathe. 3, 4, and 5. We extend our legs out. We fix both the palms right underneath our shoulders, toes pointing down. So we flex our foot. We check both the hip is closed. Now breathe in. Those who want to challenge themselves, they can extend the left hand in front. So your shoulder and ear is connected. We breathe, We try to stretch and pull our arm out and the leg on the opposite direction. 2, breathe, 3, 4, and 5. We rest our left palm down, our right toe touching to the ground. And what we'll do is same way how we did to the with the right leg, same thing we will do with the left leg, is we open our foot out. Okay, we rest our right knee on the ground. So your knee and ankle should be in line. Here you see the space. This space you can cover it with the block or maybe with the towel, with the books or whatever cushion, easy way, okay? And then we keep stretching our back leg. We keep pushing our back thigh on the floor. As I said, we do not have to lean on the same side. This will not give you any effect. Always we shift on the opposite side of our folded leg. So we lean on the right side and we feel the stretch on the left side of the hip bone, your left hamstring. Those who find the hamstrings are too tight, you may feel the stretch. Also opening for the pelvic area. These sections are not used in a daily basis, so that's why pigeon pose, lizard pose is very good for the spine. Those who have lower back pain and those who have stiff spine, for them the hip openers works well. Stay for 3 more breaths. 3, inhale, exhale, 2. If you can stretch your arms and rest completely. And 1. All this needs practice, and then you will shift back slowly. Always while coming back, you do not hurry, you come in very slow process. Tuck your toe, first you lift your back knee and then we move our left leg back. So you can kick your leg, you can just give some retraction and a relaxation to the muscles. Then we fold our knees, relax in child's pose and just feel the difference between both the sides. Let go. 5, breathe. 4, 3, 2, and 1. So after this hip openers and pelvis and for the hamstring, little after warming up, we will move for the back. So for that we take a prone position, lie down on your belly. We hold our wrists with the opposite hand, toes together. Inhale, we raise our head, chest and pulling your arms back as if someone is holding you. Shoulders should be wide open. Do not fold your arms. Similarly and simultaneously, we'll lift our feet up and breathe. In a locust pose, it's amazing stretch. Again, focus on the belly, focusing on the spine. Contract your glutes. It strengthens your spine muscles. Also for the spine posture, those who have round shape of spine, shoulders are very droopy, working on your stiff shoulders. Stay here. 1, breathe. 2, deep breathing. 3, 4, do it and then experience. 5, you will feel it. 6, 7, 8, 9, and relax your feet, relax your head down. It's amazing stretch. You will feel a good warming sensation in your spine. It strengthens your muscles. Then to improve the flexibility, we fold our knees, we grab our ankles in Dhanurasana. Even this I have made a video tutorial. You can just go check it out. Inhale, we lift our thigh from the ground. We keep our toes connected, not wide open. We breathe in, so alignment again. Lift your chest and chin up. if you want to practice earlier, if you see that your thighs are not rising up, what you can do is little rolling, forward, backward. 2, 3, little strength needed, 4, 5, and then you can stable, hold, 5 more, 4, breathe in, 3, 2, and 1, let go. You will have a very good stretch in your lower body as well as your spine, and then we turn around on our back. So we'll take a supine position where you are relaxing in Pawanamuktasan. So when we do seating poses, at that time seated ones, you do child's pose. When you do laying down poses, you do hugging your knees. It gives a very good feeling, relaxing your muscles. Maybe you can shake your legs, rolling your hips and relax. Hug your knees in Pawanamuktasan, very good for your belly, very good for constipation, gas, and very good for the lower spine. Inhale, exhale. If you have a healthy neck, if you do not have cervical spondylitis, lift your neck up. But if you have a neck pain, you will not lift. 1, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, breathe out, 7, 8, 9, and rest your head down, relax your feet. We end up with the twist. So we extend both the hands in line of our shoulders, we stretch both the legs in front. So there are many variations of Vakrasana or reclined twisting pose. I'll be doing this twist because it helps me to give me more stretch in my lower back and gives a good stretch feeling in my abdominal organs. Inhale, I will fold my right knee. I'll fix my left palm. I'll take the support of my left palm and try moving my right knee to the left side. Wow, this gives a good stretch. I can feel a cracking sensation here. So it releases all the stress from the spine. And we turn our head to the opposite direction. Breathe in. You can also do Kapalbhati Kriya here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You can continue doing it if you wish, like 20 to 30 counts, and bring it back slowly. We extend our right leg in front. Now fold your left knee, your right leg straight. Place your right palm on your left knee. Inhale, and very slowly we keep pushing our knees down to the floor with the support of your palm, because it becomes easy. You can bring it a little higher. Shoulders should be on the floor. Turn your head to the opposite side. Inhale. Start Kapalbhati. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly bring your legs back, and you can rest in Shavasana. You can open your legs, you can open your arms and rest. Then once you're done resting, you may even stretch your arms up. Breathe out, let go. Fold your knees, and we turn on our right side. With the support of our palm, we will sit down slowly. Thank you guys for watching this video. And my dear friends, I would like to inform you that every Sunday I am going to post a video on question answers. If you have any doubt or questions related to yoga, then you put up on the comment section. I will try my best to answer all your questions. Namaste, stay blessed.